Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nick. Today's video is a short tutorial about Kinzoo application. I'm going to be showing you how to use this application, what features this app has, and other things. So firstly, let's open up this app. Just click on the icon and you will see this application. Here you can invite contacts and add a child. So to invite someone, you can click on invite contacts and for example, send invite invite link to your friend by email or by text. Also, you can enter magic code for your friend and invite him to friends. If you want to add a child, just click on this button. It's really easy. Answer on all these questions. Yep. Click on next. Select date of birth. Next. Add a PIN code for your child. And then you will see your child right in your application. Okay, here's your child. Now you can, of course, chat with her, in our case, send voice message, for example. Let's try to do it. Allow your microphone, click on it, click on this button, and you can record something to your friend, to your child. Then pause it and send it. Okay, of course you can type something. I think the messenger looks really good. It's very colorful and I like it, to be honest. So you can chat with someone, you can send stickers, you can send voice messages and other things. If you want to customize your profile, you can click on the avatar icon at the top left, and here you will see the My Profile tab. Click on it, and here you can change something, for example, your email or name, or you can change other settings, PIN code, and so on. So go back. Also, in this menu, you can find a lot of interesting information, for example, Marketplace, Help Center, Kid Activity, Requests, My Household, and other interesting things. Okay, now let's move to the second tab. So this is the calls tab. Here you can create a video call, for example, just call to your child, just like this. But you have to allow Kinzoo to take pictures and record videos. And after that, you can call to your friend or your child. The third tab is K. Here you can find a lot of interesting tools, but to use it, you need to have these coins, Zunies. You can buy it. For example, 100 Zunies you can buy for $2. And after that, you'll be able to use these tools: Animaker, Art Deco, Blocks. If you want to know more about these tools, you can click on it and just read about it right here. So the last tab is Marketplace. Here you can easily get something interesting things. For example, paths, face filters for video calls, stickers, wallpapers for your chats, or just get mini games or buy it. So it's very interesting. For example, if you want to get something, for example, this free thing, monthly memes, January, click on it and click on follow path for free. Okay, you followed a new path. Also at the top right you can find these two icons: gift, so you can give a gift to your friend or child, and of course rewards. You can get them for inviting your friends. Well, the application is very interesting. I hope my video was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.